Vi999M mobile Wi-Fi hotspot dongle password, how we can change. Yes, how we can change Wi-Fi password of this Vi mobile Wi-Fi hotspot dongle, so that don't anybody not able to connect to this device without your permission or without that password. Whenever we purchase these type of devices, a new one, and we find that after removing the battery we find a sticker over there, and on that we found Wi-Fi password over there, and then we think that how we can easily change that, so that anyone not able to connect to that device. So today we're gonna tell you about this and how we can change the Wi-Fi password of this dongle. First of all, requesting you like the video and subscribe the channel and watch video till the end and learn how to change Wi-Fi password of this dongle. So if you want to change the Wi-Fi password, first of all you have to go to your mobile phone or laptop or computer. Over there you have to just connect with that device, and after that go to the internet browser. Over there you have to just type 192.168.1.1. as you can check out, this is the IP address. Go to that IP address and that will open something like this, as you can check out like this. I have already inserted the password. Over here you have to just enter admin as a login password and click on login. After that you will see options like this. From there you have to choose this Wi-Fi settings. From there you have to choose this one, Wi-Fi settings option, and if you check out below over there you will find a option called passphrase. As you can check out, this is your Wi-Fi password. If you want to change this as you want, you can click on you can change, and after that just click on apply. I'm gonna keep it 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and apply. After that it will ask you that it gonna restart. Click on yes, and now you are successful. After that you have to just go to the Wi-Fi option and click on this forgot network. When you click on forget network, you will be able to reconnect on the same Wi-Fi by entering the new Wi-Fi password. That's the process. If you like this video about this Wi-Fi hotspot dongle, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. Be with us, keep learning, have to do.